Arutani mwena wa Nyanza nimooritio kumuhee gitio mwandiki mukaru wa kiama kia Arutani kia Knut niwe Collins oyuu uria ukoretwo akiingirirwo nendaini cia ukinyaniria ni arimu makiuga mutugo uyu no muhaka uthire kuona uguo amemba a kamiti ya bururi ya Knut kuma mwena wa Nyanza atongoretwo ni Alex Dunga hamwe na Edward Orlando nimakumithitie undu uyu makimaririkania ti murutani wa kawaida ta arutani aya angi.
The people from Eastern, they respect him so much. The people from Central, they respect him so much. Coast, where Danalo comes from, they respect him so much. We go to every other area, they respect him. But from Nyanza, we are very bad bloggers. Kindly let them respect the Secretary General.
Union is a union of order, loyalty, and respect. The Secretary General of Kenya National Union of Teachers comes from this county. He is now a national figure. He is not the local man. He is not the local man that you are seeing the other day. Please, we must give due respect to the Secretary General. Let us avoid social communication, social media alterations. Let us respect the leaders we've elected. I am pleading with you so that we grow this union. This union is what has made the teachers where they are.
You cannot have a Secretary General in your region and then you joke around with that post. We will defend jealously. We will defend jealously.
Na tugithie na mbere ni ati mubunge wa Uasin Gishu niwe